Mr. Robert Palmer, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Robert Palmer. Get it straight. Let's see if we get it straight before it starts.
Through the alley, trying to keep her out of sight. Seeking Sally through the alley. When I buzzed the wife, I said I can't find nothing wrong with being friends, 'cause sometimes she lets me use the car. She said if you can't find